Hey, yo, what's up? Good evening. Good after midnight. Hey, local host, chat. Let's kick chat. What's up, man? We're connected. Chat's connected. Happy Taco Tuesday. Let's go. Thanks for liking the live. Taco Tuesday. Shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer. See, roses really smell like boo boo boo. Yeah, roses really smell like boo boo boo. I know you like to bang, yo. Shit don't stink. Thanks for the like. Lean a little bit closer. See, roses really smell like boo boo boo. Pretty much for you. Thank you. Yeah, I saw that one. It's quite an old one, that package. It is even on Switch case. Yeah, this will be better in a Switch case, eh? Should we make this nicer? This is actually a markdown file, and this is an example. Yeah. I think it'll be better if I do use a Switch case. Also, there's a number of things I can do to make this code nicer.
She got a hottest body, but her attitude is potty. When I met her at a party, she was hardly acting naughty. I said, "Shawty, would you call me?" She said, "Pardon me, are you balling?" I said, "Darling,
you study,
you sound like
or you just code for fun?
I
used to study. Yeah, I guess if that's what you're asking. I finished uni a while ago, back in 2014, and then I have a career in software development, and now I'm on my own with my own company, building my own stuff, and also working for clients, so doing some freelance stuff. So I work entirely for myself at the moment, which was a conscious decision. It was I just felt like I want to control all of my hours, you know, and so I do. Let's go back to old school.
All got along, they probably got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me.
Hey,
every time I'm in the street,
I'm like, yeah.
Man down, where you from?
Hey, thanks for the follow. Hey, if you're not following, why not? Hey, why not? How'd you get the Uber Eats job? There's side projects that are... Hey. Okay, you know, I just realized that I'm doing the chat in Data Nest thing, so what I'll do is let me switch it up actually. Hey.
Now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since that day I was looking at him different. That was back when I was 9. Joey packed a 9, pack a stand on every porch is fine. We adapt to crime, pack a van with 4 guns at shooting for? If you ain't walking up, you fucking punk.
Hey.
Picking up the fucking pump, picking off you sucker, dick or die, a sucker punch, a wall of bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what mama said when we was eating that free lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in '94. Fuck your truce. Now throw your head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no
This is vibing with myself.
Bodies on top of
Bodies,
bodies on top of obvies. Obviously the coroner between the sheets like the Osleys. When you hop on that trolley,
kill
make
that.
sure your color's correct. Make sure your
Switch
corporate don't tell you
OBS
calling your
over
mother collect. They say
to,
the governor collect all of our taxes except when we in traffic and tragic happens. That shit ain't
Nebula
no
Live,
threat. You
switch it
moving
up.
backwards if you
And then
suggest
we'll
that you
close
sleep
data
with a
nest.
tech.
We don't
Go
need
buy
that
your
open.
chopper and have a
And here we go to
doctor on speed dial,
source.
I guess. Mass City.
Bend down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga?
Hey.
Where your grandma stay, my nigga? This mad city I run, my nigga.
So we'll kick off the service of the song. Hey, sing like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yeah. Yo, not you, back in the house. Back in the house for the vibes. Okay, we are going to do something interesting tonight, okay? Ready? I'm in the mood. I've come to the conclusion that I'm not doing anything productive, okay? On stream. Back today, you're pulling mad lines today. Mad lines. I'm pulling mad lines, my G. Hello, fellow dude. Sup, Dino Studios. Love to see you here. Tell us more about yourself. Let's go. Make sure you share the live, run up the numbers, like, double. I see a JavaScript script. Yes, you do. You sure do. Hey. Stop, front end is not our fault. Users are that dumb. Well, are you a front end developer? I'm a full stack developer, Dino Studios. Okay, so this is JavaScript. This is technically backend. I'm sick today. I missed a founders meeting today with over 26 billion pounds in net worth today. Not you, come on. Full stack, nice. Let's go. Nice like me. Yeah, we're the same energy. Are you using Node.js? Yeah. I'm so bummed. Yeah, not you. You could have gotten us out the hood, man. Pick it up next time. I use PHP for backend. Hey, Dino Studios, I forgive you. Hey, how do you get good at coding, bro? I can't help but use ChatGPT. Yo, A6300. This is a self-discipline thing, This is actually thanks for the follow, Bish. Yeah, A6300. Try your best. Okay, look, let's go back. Let's turn it down for a second. Let's go back to take a back step, right? Take a step back, right? About coding, okay? Think about this, right? Think about yourself as an author, okay? You're someone who writes stories for a living. Let's say that, right? Would you, if you outsourced that storytelling to ChatGPT, yeah? Do you think it's gonna have the same essence as you? I mean, you might be finishing the book faster, but like, are you still the one building that book? Are you writing that book? And are you getting the experience that you're gaining through writing that book yourself? So I think of it like that. You don't want to outsource the stuff that is coming out of your genius brain. You don't want to outsource that. Outsource all the little things like, CRUD, right? Guys, you know what CRUD, hands up who knows what CRUD means. CRUD, come on, I know you devs in the channel, you know what CRUD means. Don't talk smack again, I know that you know what it is. Yeah, CRUD is king somehow, come on, you got me. CRUD, what is that? Any developer in this chat that knows what CRUD is? Create, read, update, delete, absolutely, right? So we know, Cash, you're correct. Create, read, update, and delete. Look, guys, think about it like this, okay? The create, read, update, and delete stuff, you can automate that part. That's not cool. That's not storytelling, right? That isn't storytelling. For example, maybe if you're writing a book, right? The context, the index in the beginning, right? The index in the beginning where you're like, oh, this is the chapter stuff, and you're reading the stuff, right? That's not storytelling. That is just showing the technical stuff that's in the book. The juicy part is the story, yeah? And so if you want to get better at code, better at writing code, please don't outsource that learning somewhere else. Don't do that. It's the same as going, hey, I really want to learn code. And then you look at your friend next to you. Hey, can you code for me, please? I really want to learn how to code. Can you do it instead of me, please? And you're thinking that you're like, oh, I'm going to get better at programming, but you're continuously giving it to someone else. And guess what? Someone else is learning, not you. Someone else is learning. And it's even worse when you're outsourcing to ChatGPT because no one's learning. Yeah? So you need to think of it like that. Be more intentional, okay? Be more specific, be more intentional with your decision making. Please do not outsource your brain, okay? That's when you stop learning. Okay, that's when you stop learning. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to stop learning. I'm 13 years into this game, into this professional industry, and I'm still learning. I will not outsource any of that. For example, who's here created a database engine? Anybody create a database engine? Anybody? Let's say that you haven't, right? If I felt like I wanted to get good at programming, right? And I want to go through the trenches of figuring out how to build a database engine myself from scratch, right? Would I outsource that to AI? If I'm going to outsource that to AI, I may as well not even build it. What's the point in that? I may as well not even build it. If I'm outsourcing AI, right? If I'm outsourcing that thinking to AI, I may as well just go sleep. I may as well have a sleep, right? But if I really want to learn and study all the intricacies that, and the computer science, right, behind building it, boomer take. This guy just doesn't know how to prompt. Hey, Nova Scotian. Oi, stop being a hater. Let AI do the thinking. Head me is useless. I love that. I've been working on magnetometer fingerprinting signatures for spatial experiences. I got aired, bro. Sorry. I'm getting there. Hold on. I'm getting there. Anyway, let's no more questions. Jokes. Is this career scalable as cyber? Yes, absolutely. Look, as much as there are vibe coded projects that are for chat, I'm joking. Obviously, I know that, Nova. So if we're talking about vibe coding projects, a lot of people are doing that. So the more vibe coded projects they're going to be, the more we need cybersecurity specialists. So please don't leave. Why do grads build portfolio as reference? It doesn't have crowd functionality in dashboard. Yeah, I mean that's up to them. If that's all they want to do, like having a portfolio with as their reference, I mean that's okay. If you're a beginner, if you're just a beginner, that's okay. But bro, it's 1 a.m. Go to bed. Hey, Shifu. I'm not tired. I don't want to go to sleep. You can't make me. Anyway, take your time and don't be afraid to ask for help. AI is producing bullshit and we want to help you grow. Fish, thanks for the ka pai. I use AI to find frameworks, methodologies, and different equations to hone my structure. Sure, I use ChatGPT like it is a teacher. Yeah, you can do that as well. Absolutely. You know what? My main go-to teaching, I guess, teachable moments in my day-to-day life is I actually write it myself, and I look at the documentation and read it and understand it, and then I go back to my editor, write the things down, and then like implement it and test it. and then make sure that I get the concept. Yeah, I currently do what is that? Social analyst tier 1. What does that mean? What's that? I don't remember that. What can I do software or coding wise on the side? Security option analyst. Oh, you're right. I see. Yeah, exactly. It's only aware of info it's trained on. Yeah. Context is king. Any suggestions on a code cleaner that won't stuff up structure? A code cleaner? What do you mean? Quantum context. Speaking of someone who should be in bed, man, it's nice if you need to work in public traded companies. What can you do? Oh, I'm talking to you specifically, Boring Egg Boy. You're currently doing that, and what can I do software or coding wise on the side? Yeah, so I should be in bed. I've been up late working, man. Nice. He's on the grind as well. I'm not on the grind. I'm actually hanging out. Yo, can you help me with my machine learning work? Not to be confused with Tino on Grindr. Oh, damn. Calling me gay is crazy. Damn. In this economy? In 2025 we're doing this? Eh? You might as well call me a fag next. on the internet? Sorry, you said it to me. Oh no. I told you that in confidence, my G. Help me with my machine. I'm not gonna help you. I think you got this. So Boring Egg Boy, try and do. Wait, what can I do software or coding wise on the side? I reckon it depends on what you want to achieve. I think first use Linux and try it. Like, actually try it properly if you're not already using it. Get familiar with the command line, and then understand your core fundamentals in programming, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna help you. Whoa, are you gonna? What do you mean? How are you planning on helping me? Do you use Kali Linux? No, I don't. No, I use Windows with WSL. Now that's what you. I'm not gonna help you. It just got me good. Oh. Brass for helping you said no. Yeah, that's right. Like, can you help me with my machine learning work? No, I don't think so. I don't think I'll do that actually. I think not. Windows. Hey Nova, I know you might not respect me, okay? After you heard what I use, Windows, yeah. But like, can you help me with shush? Can you help me with? Yeah, I can help you shush if you want. I can help you shush. Can you see what my text says? If you're in portrait mode, right, and there's like a text on the screen there, okay? It doesn't say "Let me help you," right? Let me help you with your code. It's saying hang out with me while I code, right? It doesn't say while I code your stuff, okay? Jeez. For your Mac Mini, I recommend setting up Nix on it ASAP for startup. Why? Nah, I'm all good, man. I'm good. I'm good, man. I'm a professional. Nix Adams. What a niche, I guess, retort. Repeat in each folder project. Wait, Nix, that's actually familiar to me. Oh, good song. drop a flake and der in. Oh, I see what you mean, Nix. Yeah, sure. No, I'm all good. Instant Jib can say it's easy startup. Nah, I'm all good, man. Yeah, it is, hey. You're welcome. You're welcome, Chief. Shot Chief. Hey. What's up, Karma? I just realized, sorry, I was ignoring you. Because you're on YouTube and I was looking at the TikTok comments. How do you separate dependencies in different build environments? Nova, man, that's so cool. I mean, I hate concerts, but yeah, it's cool. I usually go to like very small concerts, you know, very like I don't really like large crowds. So. Hiram, I know that you're singing to this, don't lie. Love forever, love is free. Yes, he's not a concert. Oh yeah, where? Oh damn. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm singing song key. That was the biggest one I've ever been to. I usually go to dive bars for Black Metal shows. Right, nice. Yeah, true. Yeah. Nice, that's really cool. What do you recommend for secret management deployment straps? Secret management? So I guess if we're being serious, I recommend using. It depends on the platform that you're deploying to, but let's say that we're talking about an AWS environment, right? If we're talking about AWS, yeah, Vault, that's exactly what I was getting to. So there's Vault, right? And there's also just plain secrets in AWS. And I usually use the CDK to then deploy those secrets, but those secrets live in AWS secrets, right? But then I use those secrets to automatically deploy those into ECS. Tino, how do I reach the firewall to get to the mainframe? Sorry, Andre. Maybe turn it down. Fine. Can you make the music louder, please? My ears aren't bleeding as much as they want to. Do you version them? Oh, sorry. Okay, maybe up there. Do you version them or they get versioned? What, the secrets? Tell Andre, shush. Oh, should I just block Andre? Nah, jokes. Do I version the secrets? No, I don't really version them. Yeah, Vault can, but I don't version the secrets that I store in AWS. It actually depends, right? It depends on what's happening. I do rotate them though. Yeah, Vault by HashiCorp. But what content are you gonna make? My content? Yeah, so that's actually so interesting. That's a good question. So there's a couple of content ideas that I have, but it is actually such an art form and it's almost like a engineering issue with actually building the workflow in order to release, because one, I work full time, right? And so I'm coding all day and every day, so I don't have time to edit, right? And so I want to automate most of it in order to get an outcome, right? Who is your source material? So if I understand you correctly, Hiram, so I was thinking of recording this. So I'm recording this right now, right? Oh, my inspiration for what? The content? It's usually like the behind the scenes stuff. So I have multiple content ideas. Yeah. So I have multiple content ideas, like feel and like look and feel type stuff, right? Stephen G. Pope. Who the hell's that? Stephen G. Hope.
What did you mean you hope so? Did you mean you were less than life?
Oh.
In this video, I'm going to
Oh, that was loud. Oh, I see. Nah, yeah, yeah. He's using N-A-N. Yeah, no. So, Hiram, I'm a programmer, so I don't need to do that. Hey, Hiram, shush. Yeah, he do be automating everything. Yeah. Hiram, shush. Shush. Oh, gee, how about your program, these nuts, gee? Oh, not much RAM on those D's nuts. Not much RAM on this quantum D's, gee. Windmill's good. Same with Coolify for hosting local. Just download more RAM. Could do. Sup, Oos. What's up? Oos, can you make a subtitle English app when watching what? Watching what? Jav? What? What's that? I got 64 gigabyte downloaded every time I boot up. Nice. My favorite is just popping up hacker typer. Lol. You've heard of C++ and C#, but baby, we're going into the fourth dimension to get that quantum D. Me on LimeWire 2007 trying to download Windows 229. Hey, can I tell you a story about that? Hey, I know you didn't ask, okay, but when did I ask? But, okay, you want to hear a story? Guys, okay, here's a story. Okay, I had to pause the music for a second. Hold up. So, when I was younger, I was downloading movies. If the story is dry, no, it's not. Oh, it's kind of, I don't know. It's so embarrassing, really. So, okay, so for some context, okay, guys, I grew up in a Mormon family. Okay, so we're very they're very religious, and we don't do anything bad, really. Okay, and when we do stuff bad, we have to do it outside of the house. Okay, and so when I was young, okay, and so when I was writing, when I was young and on the internet, moment to moment, no. Okay, so what was happening is, like, I just discovered how to pirate movies, and how to download movies, and like what torrents were, and like where to find them. But if you don't know where you're looking, so just say you downloaded porn. Yeah, so, but the funny thing was, it wasn't actually my fault. So here's what happened, okay? My dad, right? My dad saw the trailer for Hancock. Who remembers that movie? Who remembers that movie? Hancock. Okay, great movie, cool. Great movie, yeah. And then, so he said, hey, can you download Hancock, do you think? And then, yeah, before he went dry, absolutely. And then I was like, yeah, sure, Dad, I can. And then, because I thought, well, I was some cool guy who downloads movies, right? I found a torrent that said Hancock. And and then it wasn't the original movie. Let's put it that way. And the crack up thing is I gave it to them. I gave it to my dad. Oh no! And so I downloaded it, didn't watch it, didn't vet it, and then said, yeah, I downloaded Hancock, Dad. Yeah, here you go. And then play. Oh my days. And then I press play. Oh, and it was Hancock. Oh man. Anyway, so from that point onwards, I did not give him movies until I inspected the files. So that was my little story. Provided my dad with porn, check off the bucket list. What do you go to, bro? Hey man, hope all is well. Any opinion on the strongest machine learning packages for prediction? No, I don't have any recommendations, actually, sorry. Or opinion. I don't work in that space. What are you coding, bro? I'm actually just coding. Okay, so this is somebody what? No, this is a piece of software for my stream. Yeah. And it includes, chat and terminal. Not the vocal string. Oh, be nice if this was open. Echolalia. Let's play this. Are all developers plagued by IT? I don't know. What 100 load the page like 2 a.m. and opened up this. You spin me right round. What? Hello, boss. Do you vibe code alongside your coding? Which coding tool do you use or you prefer? Sometimes. I usually use Claude Code. Yeah. I find it the best at the moment. Yo, not you. Thanks for joining, man. Thanks for the likes and stuff. Thanks for all the comments as well. Yeah, man. See you in the next one. Cool code, got it. Yeah. Starting with, oh yeah, what is it? Tastes Good by Eden. What? Oh, shut up. Oh, you bastard. Oh. You almost got me there. I'm live with that one. Damn. Eden your mully? Oh, what the fuck? No way. Wait. Was it you? Did you do that? Wait. Didn't they show that on some radio? Bro kept repeating it and switching it out. Oh no. Would you be okay with working with the startup AI agency? I'd hope like you on the team could help. Yeah, if the price was right. If the price was right, yeah. If you had a decent enough budget, then maybe. Depends on what you need. Okay, maybe a chill song. Chat was dying. Lol. Oh no. Well, what radio station was it? Play it now then.
Oh, I took a shower with my clothes on.
Hey.
How stupid.
Oh damn.
I went to sleep with all the lights on. How stupid. I play the keys with my guitar.
Adding it to play the.
I try my best to up and move on.
Whoa, Wilson! Oh, yo, I love those days, man. Yes, I do remember those ones. I was playing along with them, man. Yo, they get me started on those. Don't make me get on my guitar right now. Don't make me get my guitar out. Wait, where is my guitar? Oh, it's right next to me. What do you know? Okay, brown childhood moments. You wanna go there? Ready? Hold up. Hold up. I think you'll know. I actually do want to play the song though. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. You ready? I'm gonna play along with the song. This is the first time I'm hearing the song, by the way. So, bear with me. So it goes. We already got it, G. Wait, can you hear this? Hold up. Wait, you can't even hear it. Oh, sorry. It'd be nice if it was on. Woohoo! Oh, don't get me started, man. Now sing. I don't know the song, but also I'm not a singer.
I took a shower with my clothes on. How stupid. I went to sleep with all the lights on. How stupid. I play the keys with my guitar.
There's a little bit of
How useless.
what is it? A little bit of how's it go? Wait. Hey, ARM4, what do you mean it's a ballsy? Is JavaScript is ballsy? If you can't JavaScript, run it straight. Round childhood chick. Okay, fine then. What about this one? Ready? It's almost same chords as that other song. You know that song? That one video of the high school dudes singing. Wait, that one. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh, wait, it rings a bell, but the exact song by name isn't coming to my head. Blue uniform? Yeah, hold on. Oh, yes, I do remember that. Hold on, I'm gonna play it. Oh, shit. No one knows this, Haru. No one in chat knows this but you and I. Oh my days. Damn, what an old school jams. Okay, here's another one. Do you remember AO Slow Jams? But do you though? Okay, here's another childhood one. Ready? Ready? How was the recipe app? Can't see that on your link. Is it available on iOS store? It's not available on iOS yet, Zach. I actually haven't had time to work on it. What about Southside? Ashanti. Wait, how does that go? I might not be good in names. I am. How about I shut up? Shut up. What do you want me to do? Type the codes, yeah, G. But is it called Southside? Oh yeah, with Lloyd.
Tell your daddy stop his hating. Stop be wearing braids and rocking jerseys daily. But that don't mean I'm thugging, no. You don't want me with ya. I ain't trying to hear it though.
Got it already.
Hear it though. But I know that if he knew ya, he would understand ya. Know that you're my man and you would never hurt me, no. Let me come and see ya so that we can be alone, alone. Baby, I know a place that we can go and be alone. As long as you make sure that you safely get me home. Don't worry, baby. I'm not outside. You hold my heat there. Sure that you're ready.
Oh, so good. Elite board knowledge. Don't get me started on that. Not beating the allegations. Yeah. Is also this one at school? Saying I love you is not the... Oh, Ty. Laughing someone's? No. OOP is quite a large subject, though. It's quite a large subject, so... do you have any specifics on that? Like what in OOP? Like, what do you want to understand? Like, you want to understand what it stands for? Object-oriented programming? Okay. Only original Palangis. Damn. What if the objects are simultaneously inside and outside? Wait, are you asking, is it all just objects inside objects? No, not really. I guess it depends on what you're modeling, right? So object-oriented programming or object-oriented principles, right? It's the concept of trying to model the real world in code. Quantum objects. Yeah, you know about quantum objects, eh? So that's the purpose of that whole methodology on those concepts, Ty, is that you're trying to represent real world objects in code, and you usually represent that as a thing, okay? Which is why all classes are nouns, right? So you have a user, or you have a I'm a software developer too, but I'm an apprentice, right? So you have a user, you have, I don't know, if you think about sup Frankie? Oh, Frankie from Twitch, let's go. Oh, and also flowering taboo, whatever, best viewers, and they're just it's an ad. Hey Haram, guess the song. Yeah, I can tell you're singing it. I can just imagine you because of your, your Quantum D. Lost without you, can't have my... How does it feel to know that I love you, baby, not without you? Quantum D feels? Aw. Okay, ready? You want to guess the song? Okay. Everybody can guess the song. Wait, it's wrong. Hotel California. Man, I haven't played that in years. Frankie, how are you doing? By the way, funny. Feels like every coder is a guitarist that wants to be able to afford a meal every once in a while. Nice. You got the Quantum D in me. Yo, nice. You got the Quantum D in me. Jordan Smith, eh? I know what you're wanting. Oh, here's another one. Ready? Wait, how does it go? Is that how it goes? Wait, how does it go? Snow, hey, hey-oh. What the? Hold on, let me try. Hey-oh. Oh my god, that freaked me out. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Oh, yo. No, I haven't played this in ages too. I forgot it.
Come to decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, I got your head.
So it's definitely sorry. Wait. Hold on, let me have a look. Let me hear it one more time. where is that gonna hit? Okay, so it goes here. A or A minor, bro. It's been too long. I forget the chords. 3-string chords. Yeah. Where did you learn to code? I learned to code on the job and through self-learning. 3-string chords. So you're like. Oh, let me hear that because I can tell what you're saying. Hold on. Wait. I think it's today. How Tazrick, can you go on CMD and type color 3? It's something like that. Hold on. Wait. Ding. Oh. Yeah, it's something like that. Wait, hold on. Wait, no. That's there. That's the first one. Wait. It's actually E. It's E. It's that. Wait. Yeah. Wait. It doesn't actually matter though. Who cares? But what about this one? Wait. Oh, shit! Sorry, it's loud. My lead went out. No, this is Tenacious D. This is me and my brother Hiram here. We was hitchhiking down. Wait. Down a long and lonesome road. Oh, yo. A minor. So we played. Oh, how's it go? So we played the first thing that came around. Just so happened to be the best song in the world. Quantum D. Anyway, how does it become a guitar live? What's another one? Last one, eh? Oh, you might know this one already. Hey. If you was my baby. He plays Skrillex Bangarang. Oh, I think it's like. Bangarang. It's not really a guitar song, is it? Well, I guess you can make it like that. You was Shush by Helen Keller. Lol. Yeah, exactly. Can you play Shush? What about this one? Ready? Nightman. 2 a.m. Yeah, no. I'm gonna work soon. Cause I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away. Yeah. I need your Quantum D energy. I know it ain't easy. Anyway, yeah, that's it for the guitar. Night. Have a good night, man. See you in the next one. See you in the next AM. Cause I'm hopeful. Yes, I am. Hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it take you away. How long has it been? It's been an hour. Exactly, actually. Do you think that's enough time? Or should we do some more? Let's do some more. Eh? There's only 4 people in here. More. John Smith is like, more. We want more. We want more. Okay. Let's do some coding. Okay, next. I kind of want to do some content. Have you ever worked with Slim and PHP? It's a nightmare for me. Never done it, managed to get working. Slim and PHP. I know PHP, but let's have a look at Slim. Slim PHP. The Slim framework. Micro framework that helps you quickly write simple yet powerful web applications and APIs. Cool. I've never worked with this before, but it looks like a basic, API builder, I guess. Some framework. You know, all of these things, all these frameworks usually solve the same problems. So I guess this is just another one, right? Like Laravel. You know what I mean? But I've never worked with this in my life. Nor do I want to. It's like clipping your teeth with toenail clippers, lol. Nah, it's alright. It's okay. Yeah, same here, lol. Nah, PHP is fine. But it's just, it's like, it's a whole thing. You know how I'm not productive? How about we spend the next hour, I guess, so I just need to adjust my chair for a bit. How about we spend the next hour doing some coding and automation for my content? Because I want to be able to, like, make videos that I can post to TikTok, Instagram and all that, that will kind of be helpful. So anybody have any suggestions on how I do that? Because I have the knowledge, right, on how to build stuff and code through, back-end systems, front-end systems, and I also mobile apps using native technologies, you know what I mean? So I have this capability, but and I want to, it's not that I want to share it with the world, but I just want to build a community around it. And I guess I need to design the content to be, I guess, cool to look at, cool to watch for developers. And I created an outline. Hold on, let me have a look at it. So Obsidian. So we have, because I started creating a content engine. So I was thinking of what language is this, bro? This is JavaScript at the moment. So I was thinking, let's have a look. So I started working on this CLI tool called Cosmos, which is basically an automation tool to do whatever I want. At the moment, it can clip content, but what I want it to do is I want it to actually. Hold up, I'm getting a message. I'm currently studying C#. Nice, C# cool. C# is cool. What are you creating? So there's a couple things that I'm creating. So one, I'm building something. Thank you, bro. No worries. I'm building something to do with there's a couple things, right? There's what you're seeing on screen is a project I created called Nebula. Basically like a streaming helper project. So can you see the comments from TikTok and from Twitch as well? Sorry, I was away for a sec. Frankie, maybe the reason for all those FWs is that we still don't have a real concise one. Huh? Sorry, I read your thing late, Frankie. So you can see here, this is the combined chat, right, of Twitch and YouTube and TikTok. Those are the three platforms that I stream on, and so Nebula, which is the project that I've built. Yeah. I was just frameworks. Thanks, John. Yeah. The reason for all those frameworks is that we still don't have a real concise one. I mean, there are heaps of frameworks that I actually like and I enjoy using. And I guess, yeah, it just depends. Depends on what your use case is. I think the main thing I don't like is when your let's say we're talking about a back-end system and there's a framework that I'm using. I don't like it when something is too bulky. How long have you been into programming and what languages do you know? If you don't mind. I don't mind. In fact, I'm going to add that as a quick thing to understand about me. Because if someone said that, then it should show it. So what I do is I go, what is it? How long have you been programming? We'll go experience. It's called experience. And then this needs matches. And let's say how long? Yeah, maybe how. If it's got a match, how long? What else? Programming. Or is that a good one? How long programming? Or how long? Yeah, coding. Because this would catch that one. How long have I been into programming? I mean, there's coding as well. Developing. Yeah. Developing. Okay, let's do developing. And then if we get something that matches this software development, how long developing? Let's just do it like that. And then in my responses here, so let's say I press save on that one. So in here I have how long developing. Actually, I think coding is better. How long coding. So, and then my responses here, so look, I have a default thing, so we'll go experience, right? We'll go, I have been coding since I was 14 years old. And I have been working as a professional developer for, actually this is getting too long. Let's just split it up a bit. And I have been, let's actually get rid of the and. And I have been working as a professional developer for, right now we're up to 13 years. For 13 years. Yeah? Does that answer the question? Yeah, that answers the question. And so now, if I go to start the chat again, come back again, and so, oh, YouTube, what's up? Quantum dimension, nice. Time is all relative in the okay, cool. So now if you guys comment that, if you comment, let's say, how long coding, how long have you been coding? If you ask that question, it should pop up in the chat. It should pop up in there. I'm only in my first year of university. Nice. Yes, hang in there. Start building projects of your own. How long coding? Hang on. Did it trigger? Oh, sorry, I didn't register it. Nice. Thanks for the what is it? Thanks for that test, but like I forgot to actually run it. So I'm gonna have to do this chat thing again. Cool. Okay. Uh-oh, something happened. Oh no, my proxy, hold on. Let's go down again. Let's try that one more time. Boom! And then in here, let's try this again. Okay, looks like we have connected. There you go. So it actually did work. So if I clear that again, try it again. You're not using VS Code of VS Visual Studio. What software are you using? How long coding? Thanks, cheeky tidbit. There you go. I've been coding since I was 14 years old, and I have been working as a professional developer for 13 years. Cool. Should it be like, maybe I should actually, instead of oh no, because we have this already. You see that? Responding to cheeky tidbit who said, how long coding? I've been coding since I was 14. That's alright, eh? Is that okay? It's like kind of automated. Kind of. But we kind of need to like add more thing. That's sick. It is cool, eh? So we can add more stuff here. Like you can see that's experience, right? But then maybe we can add more matches. So yeah. Maybe I'll actually, instead of doing it like that, actually what we'll do is we'll support like multiple sets, right? So we'll make it multi-dimensional. Hey, what's up, Mickey? Bro, you still didn't say which languages. Oh, sorry. Let me try that. Good, because we're testing anyway. So if matches.every, can you see that? So if matches dot this will be .any. Hold up. Why not use regex? I'm not good at regex. but that is such a good use for it. But nah, it's just simple, you know. No one is. Yeah, I know. It's literally I would love to like be fluent in it, but it's not my go-to. I just like just using logic. So let's do this. It's fun once you learn it. Yeah, I know. I used to be good at it, but then I lost it. Like I wasn't using it every day, and it's not performant on a large scale. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but also this is quite what is it? Quite a simple thing, right? What I'm doing here. Is it .any or maybe it's .find? .find. We'll just do .find. So we'll go m matches. So it's basically going to be like that. If m.every, yeah. So I think that'll just work. Do we reference matches anywhere else? So if I go, look at this. Yeah, I know, but it doesn't need to be performant. It's like running on my machine. It's all good. How long coding? How long developing? What else should we trip up? How long programming? How long working? You know what I mean? Yeah. So this is good, eh? So then how about, and then also I need to update the responses. So working in software development. Are you programming a sex bot? I mean, I wasn't, but maybe I should be. You want to be my tester? Look at the riz on this. Look at the riz on this. Landmine, you couldn't get past me on that one. You walked into my landmine. Anyway, thanks for the follow. Yeah, so if we go, wait, maybe that's a different question. That might be a different question. How about we go languages? What do you think about this? How about we go matches, and then we'll add more. So we'll go like, this is like an old school Q&A rag, yeah, kind of. So if we go, what languages? And no, I reckon that's the one, right? What languages do you know? Right? What languages do you know? That's kind of like the nice one to kind of capture. Because I don't want to go like just what languages, because if we match on that, like what if they're saying, what languages do you recommend I learn? You know? I don't know. Anyway. So then we can register languages. Languages. Come to Deloitte, bro. I got a job for you. Hey, I've been trying to. I've been. You know, so many people have asked me if to work for them, especially we're going into the new year. And yeah, I've been like going, I want to work on my own. I want to work by myself, thanks. But yeah, I've kind of left the corporate world, and like, you know what I mean? How many inches for robot Kevin? Nice, I love that one. So now we got that, but now we need to add a response. What's the response? We'll go languages. Languages can be, I don't know. Well, I'll write literally all the languages that I know. I know JavaScript. I know TypeScript. I know Golang. I know C++. I know C#. I know C. Should I write it? See, English. Barely know English. I know PHP. Unfortunately, I know Python. What else do I know? Let's start a new line. Quantum D. I just add it there, okay? Let's see if anybody will notice. Quantum D. What else do I need? What else do I know? You know, C? Yeah, I do. I've worked on some hardware stuff that use C. I don't use it every day, right? Cobalt? No, I've never even used that before. What's the most latest ones? Oh yeah. Oh wow, I can't believe I forgot this one. Kotlin, Swift. I love Kotlin and Swift. What else? Guys, do you think SQL counts? SQL counts, eh? It has language in the name. But it's not a programming language, I guess. I guess it is. I guess you can say that. It's a query language. SQL counts. Turing complete. Yeah, true. Database. Oh, database. Hey, Landmine, I know you would like my SQL injection. Don't lie. Don't lie. Is that it? Is that all I know? I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something. What did I program? Wait, hold on. Pen testing? Is that coding though? That's more like what do I know? Excel's Turing completes. Love. Oh, the love. Oh, the language of love. Oh, cheeky tidbit. Oh, guys, the language of love. And then MA comes out with the language of hate. CSS. CSS. Oh, the language of hate that I hate so much. I actually do know cascading style sheets. Do I add it to it? I don't know. I guess if we're going to go down that route, then what about HTML? And what about HTMX? And what about HTMX? The language of rage, absolutely. What does Turing complete mean? Good question. XML, is that? I guess if I'm gonna add that, then like if I'm gonna add HTML. What is Turing complete? Programmable system. Yeah, so it's actually referencing Turing, like the the Turing machine. Anybody remember that? I learned this in computer science class. But yeah, it's if it can what is it again? It means it can do all arithmetic operations of any other programmable system. Yeah. Yeah. So if it can do like if statements, like conditional stuff, and if it can do like looping, like normal, the fundamentals of programming. Yeah. And so if you think about it, SQL passes that. Nah, cheeky tidbit. It's about it's not actually to do with any language really. Basically Turing imagined a theoretical machine that could move a ticker along a line of paper. Yeah. I'm making a simple Unity game while in this live. I'll just sneak in some questions that I don't get. Yeah, we'll see if the chat can answer it. It has to do more with logic. Yeah, exactly. Less with arithmetic actually, but one can lead to the other. Yeah, so it's exactly. So with SQL, you can do case and when. So I would say that that's conditional. You know what I mean? And then there's like looping and recursion, right? I mean, by nature, it's a set-based language. Why are you wearing sunglasses, my guy? Well, okay, so there's a thing about this, right? I'm on a computer almost, I'd say, 16 hours every day. And so prior to me wearing these sunglasses, look, these are like prescription sunglasses, right? Prior to me wearing these, like my eyes start watering when I start, actually when I'm looking at the screen too long. And I do like get up and adjust my eyes and then go and look out the window and stuff like that, doing all that stuff and like make sure I'm looking kind of getting the distance on, but I still kept on like crying for no reason. Why is the room green like the Matrix? I just wanted to fit the aesthetics, They didn't understand the iStrain, man. Yeah. So then I put these on, right? Because I was just like, oh, I'm sick of it. I need to put these on. So I put them on, and yeah, it just didn't go back. Hold on, I need to set up chat again. Oops. Oh, what am I doing? Languages. Do you recommend studying programming in the area? Yes, absolutely. Please study programming. We're gonna need more programmers. We need more programmers. Oh, I have a bug. Languages. 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 No. It's a spelling mistake. Error. After 3 years, I've gotten a job in cyber. Yo, see thee. Congratulations. I forgot Java, guys. Java's actually on here. I forgot Java. Damn. Hold on, let me have a look at my CV. Let me take a look at my CV. Hold up. Visual Basic. I do know that, but I probably won't add that. Python. You never tell anyone you know it. Nah. It's the same as like you embarrassed about VB6. It's not that I'm embarrassed. It's like it's kind of not useful for like any role that I'm wanting to get into. Like for example, I can configure and set up a WordPress website, right? But I don't have it on my CV because I don't want to do that work. You know? Imagine they're like, oh cool, yeah, we'll hire you because you know WordPress. You can take care of our website. But then if I don't have it in there, then they go, oh, WordPress. Like, oh, what's WordPress? What do you mean, WordPress? Like pressing words? What does that mean? What is that, do you think? Just to play absolutely stupid. What was that? In Unity, we can make a parent in hierarchy, right? How can we control and click all the childs at once? You sure can. You sure can. Are you going to put glory hole? Glory hole. Yeah, I love that language. It's my love language. It's my love language. Yeah, man. Bro, just Google that. Yeah. However you say your name, the real mob. Yeah, that's a Googleable one. That one. I legitimately know it. What? You legitimately know what? Twitch, Cobol, Fortran, C, Basic. Hey Frankie, sorry, I'm so ignoring you. I'm so sorry because I keep refreshing chat because I'm like saving stuff in here, and yeah, I keep on ignoring you. So sorry, Frankie. Rust. I don't know Rust. I don't know enough Rust. Yeah. For me to go, I know Rust, you know? Like, I did a Hello World, like, thing, and then I also made a little program with it, but nah, not enough. I need to build a, some sort of thing with it. Yeah, it is, eh? Okay, how about Rust is weird, lol. Okay, here we go. Languages I want to learn. Ready? So here's what I want to learn. I want to learn Zig. Oh, looks so good. I want to learn Zig. I want to learn Rust. I want to learn what else? I want to learn Clojure. Okay. It won't let me post it. Brainfuck. Oh yeah, cool. I know what you're talking about. I want to learn Clojure. What else do I want to learn? I want to learn. There was one other one. I want to learn. Assembly script. Nope, I don't want to learn that. Thanks. Guys, what's a language? Docker, I already know. But what's a good language that Docker is also another good sex toy. Anyway, you and me, a landmine, just you and me. I don't even know if you're a boy or a girl, but this is us anyway. Docker, ready? Let's do Docker together. Oh, go! Anyway. Dock like spaceships. Oh yeah, spaceships. That's what I was thinking too. Spaceships. Let's dock our spaceships together, okay? That's what I was thinking as well. Sorry. F sharp. I've actually played around with F sharp a while ago. Yeah, I didn't actually like it, but I think I was dumb back then. So it's not a great time with it. What else? I think I'm missing something. I'm missing like one or two languages that I was interested in. I'll teach you it. I'm good, I think, John. I think I'll be able to find out, F sharp stuff on my own. But also, yeah, I don't know. So Zig, Rust, Clojure. Fuck, there was one other. It was like it wasn't Lua. It wasn't Lua. Which language did you start off with, bro? I started off with foreskin from birth. Nice. I hope it's from your birth. Landmine, eh? You're just throwing bombs. I'll let you borrow the scientific rig to run some parallel work on it in F sharp. Cool. Cool. Yes, nice. And is it attached to yourself, or is it just like hanging around next to you? Thanks for liking the live, guys. And also thanks for following. Rig. It's there still. It's there still. That's why we're docking together like this. So actually for you it's gonna be like this. It's gonna make that noise too. What the fuck are we talking about? Oh yeah, where? Oh, landmine, it was meant to be. You were meant to come into my life, and then you were meant to dock. Docking station open. Honestly, there's no line to me, man. There's no line with me. I'm gonna follow you, bro. May I know when you usually go live? So, rocket to the moon. Let's go. So, this is like a new thing for me in terms of like having a schedule, but I'm usually going live around this time, which is like midnight for me to like 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning. That's kind of where I am. So yeah, because I'm in New Zealand, it's midnight. It's 1 p.m. in UK time. Oh, lucky you. Except landmine. Get your mind out the gutter. That's a whole ass fist. This guy. Yeah. How do you progress through the coding learning process over the years? See you later. Yo, see you later. I don't know how to say that. And I don't want to be racist. So, the real mob. Thanks. What do I call you? The real mob? I want to ask you guys something. So let me answer Hot Cross. How do you progress? You can call me Saeed. That threw me off. Saeed? That's crazy. Saeed threw me off. Danielson. Oh, Mr. Tito. What's up, Mr. Revy? Let me in the next chip away at small task. Yeah, John Smith is on point. how do you progress through the coding learning process over the years? Yeah, so I actually got very obsessed. That's me. I got very obsessed with understanding logic and then proving that logic is true and it works by confirming using coding, right? And so when I was coding, let's say I was learning Python, for example, I wanted to be like without any help, right? Yeah, I did get no, I didn't get obsessed with money. Actually, money does not drive me, even till today. This does not drive me at all. Jokes. Jokes. Yeah, no, yeah. Um, that's like a happy accident, tidbit. It's a happy accident because it's like I'm very passionate and I'm very obsessed with this knowledge. And I like it because it just makes sense. But then on top of that, it also pays well. Yeah, lots of small bites, absolutely. Yeah. I want to ask you guys something. I made a Roblox cheat recently, and it's very good. Should I open source? It's very good. Yeah, I reckon. Oh, it depends. I don't know what type of person you are. Are you wanting to profit off of it? Do you care about that? If not, I think share with the community. If you don't care about profit and stuff off your code, and you want to have a community to look at it, maybe extend it, then by all means open source it. Nah, sell it for 150. I think people get intimidated thinking you have to eat the whole burger in one bite. Yeah, I know. It is a bit like that, People do get intimidated by it, and they're like, oh my god, look at all this stuff I have to learn. But if you chip away at it, like go to roadmap.sh. If you go to https roadmap.sh, go to there. Oh, it didn't actually type it, but yeah. Anyway, what type of challenges was there? Challenges, Revi? Open source, baby, risk problems. That's a lot of languages. Yeah. Let's just stick with this, okay? Can someone test... Oh, no, hold on. Can someone test the... I gotta go. Talk later. Shot landmine. Thanks for coming through. YouTube. Oh, no. Oh, that's from ages ago. What... Was there challenges you faced when learning or trying to achieve something? Absolutely. Revi, absolutely every single day, right? Heaps of challenges, heaps of broken code, really, really bad code that I wrote over the years, stupid ass mistakes, and that's how you learn. How long did it take you to learn? I have a long career of, oh wait, did you ask how long did it take to learn? That's a different question, to how long have you been in the industry? Yeah, it's quite quick. A lot of the if you understand core fundamentals, when you pick up a programming language, all you're kind of battling is syntax. You do credit card fraud? No. Sorry. Sorrowful Victor? No, I don't. I don't do credit card fraud. I'm the 99th percentile of earners, my guy. Nice, let's go. Fraud? Yeah. What's your best language you know? Ooh, what's my best language? That's a good question. I love TypeScript. I know, everyone's going to be like, but what about performance? What about that? Who gives a fuck, man? Quantum D is my favorite language. Nah, yeah, TypeScript, I like it. I really like TypeScript. Golang is so nice too. Oh, C# is also really, really good. Kotlin, oh my god, I don't know if I even have a favorite. Kotlin, oh. What is your best framework? Wow, that's a good question. Framework. Hmm. I like Next.js. Nothing wrong with Java too. Get out. Jokes. I like Java too. I really like concrete languages. You know, languages that you define. But like, Java heavily pushes OOP, which is alright. But like, yeah, you have to have that OOP energy. You know. And then half the time when you're working on real life projects, they don't do OOP well. And you're like, why'd you do this? How does type work in JavaScript? It doesn't. Types are kind of like a loosey-goosey thing in JavaScript. There are classes that you can create. TypeScript, sad face. TypeScript's so good. Found something wrong. What was it? Like in Python. Yeah, like in Python. What's your favorite tech stack? Oh my god, almost there. Amani, ask that question with a question mark. Guys, we almost used the automated answers organically. Amani just needed to add a question mark. Go on. Hey, let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't have to talk. I've automated my voice. Guys, can you read? Do we like it? Do we like the stack or what? I'm a newbie. What's your advice? I can't see it pop up on TikTok. Cheeky tidbit. Rotate your screen. Loud and clear, baby. Rotate your screen to landscape. Then you'll see the chat. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I come from Java, so OOP is kind of my thing. Me too. I love OOP as well. Why do you live in a greenish environment? What are you talking about? Is clean Tina down? Huh? Oh, dude, in a whole new world. Yeah, no, exactly. Cheek, were you like this whole time with portrait mode? Were you like this the whole time? Never ever come to my live like this. Hey, cheeky tidbit. Never ever come to my live like this, okay? Don't ever come to my live like that ever again, okay? None of these ones were like, what are you saying? Who's saying what? When and why? What the fuck? Let's crack up. It came up again. Someone said, I'm a newbie. What's your advice for me doing full stack? It incorrectly happened because it says stack and it has a question mark in the thing. Who cares though, eh? Me going portrait. Oh, nice. What's your advice for me doing JS full? Yeah, do full stack. Full stack, you get a nice, you get to touch front end and back end. Sorry, I messaged you since yesterday. You told me you'll reply, but nothing. Yeah, I've been a bit busy, Ronald. I'm a very busy person. Question mark? You need some Levenstein distance for likely matches. Yeah. Levenstein. I'll send you the code. Now I can find it, man. Kindly waiting for your response, sir. Okay, hey, Ronald, I'll reply to you right now, okay? Should I reply to you right now on stream? Not going to lie, this is crazy. What's crazy? Vector embeddings for the questions. Oh, yeah? It's definitely overkill. Chat and the response apparently. Yeah. Trying to get me to use machine learning. in this basic ass like chat, automatic chat stuff. Who said how long coding? Wait, did someone say that? No one said that yet. It's just you. I mean, good embedding model can be very small. Yeah, true. But like, I don't know. If I was to get really serious about this, maybe then I would do that. You know? Maybe that can be the subject for next stream. This is more fun though. Yeah, I know. It is more fun. Just doing like random little programming things. Like, literally, this is how I do my code. I usually kind of make it make sense. You know? Look at that. Say with chest. Don't look at my method names, okay? This is say it with chest, and then, geez Louise, now I want to set this up. You should, man. You should set it up. Show comment, and then say with chest, and then when I'm actually using it in the actual, I'll ignore all of this stuff here. We don't need to go. But when I'm actually, because this is what I do, I call this locally, and which sets them up, because I needed a place for it to like actually start up. And so when I'm chatting, I just literally call show comment, right? Literally thing.show comment. I got lazy, clearly. So I'm like showing the comment for TikTok, and I'm showing the comment for Twitch, and then I'm showing the comment for YouTube, right? So it's all the same stuff. It's all going through the same thing. But then, yeah, pretty impressive. It's okay. Hey Tito, popping in to say hi and to my boy. Yo, what's up? Yeah, man, it's been a while. Haven't seen you in here for a bit. So please, I'd prefer a private reply. Thanks for understanding. It's okay, Ronald. I'll message you when I can. Rio. Yeah, I know you're Rio. Riv, I keep thinking it's Rico. Rio, lol. Hey, it's not my fault, man. We haven't hung out in ages, mate. Yeah, so, and then I built this thing. This is the show comment, right? It's going to show comment, and then it's going to register this. I can actually loop through this. Actually, let me do this so I don't have to keep doing that, right? Let's do this. Ready? Let's do it. Actually, we can do it one line. Ready? Should we do this in one line of code? Let's go with things. So we're going to do object.keys of this thing. Then we're going to do map. Yeah? We can also do for each. Right? And then we can do this. Now we're optimizing. Guys, now we're optimizing. So we go thing. And then in here we're doing thing as the key. Right? This is actually the key. So we don't have to do that anymore. So then now all we need to do is just register it, right? So if I save that and then execute that, like call that get request again, and then now it should be exactly the same as before. So if someone goes, maybe what language is, this should be a question mark. Because it's a question, eh? Maybe that's what it should be. So if someone goes, bro, needs to come around for a coffee. Yeah, man. So if someone says, what languages do you know? With a question mark. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, testers. What languages do you know? Question mark. So it should register automatically. There you go, cool. There you go. Thanks, guys. Do you see that? Hey, calm down. Stop DDoSing me. Guys, you guys are each a node of a distributed attack. All right, my G, I'm off. Yo, John Smith, thank you so much for joining again, man. It's been fun. Hard to type. Oh, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, thanks for joining again, and I'll catch you on the next one. What languages know? Someone nice. What languages know? Hey, actually, oh wait, no, because it's split by space. I think. Is it split by space? Wait, matches. Oh, hold on. No, no, you can literally actually just go what languages know question mark in one go. Wait, I'm gonna try it. What languages know question mark? See, there you go. Yeah, exactly. Oh. What languages know? Wow, this is not the best way to do it, but who cares? Hands up, who cares? Not me. I'm a real programmer. Like, I talk about real, I implement real solutions. Stack? Oh, nice. Yeah. What's your stack? Yo, my guy, what's your stack with your question mark? I'm new here, and all I just want to do is learn. Nice, man. Keep that up. Keep learning. Yeah. Keep on going, and make sure you get out of learning, like, I guess, tutorial fatigue. That's what I call it. Get out of that mode. If you're like constantly, the color scheme is nice looking. Yeah, I like it. I mean, that's why I've matched my room to that, because I have LED lights, so I can change it to red, or I can change it to blue, or like purple, pink, or something like that. So then I'm literally just controlling it with my app, and then I go to green because it matches, the thing. Bougie, yeah, no. But actually, if we're talking about the proper color, it should actually be green, but with a little bit of blue there. Like, that's pretty much it. Oh no, hold on. There, that's pretty much the color. Tutorial fatigue, that's a real word. Yeah, kind of. I mean, it's just so you don't like get stuck in watching tutorials forever. Like, I feel like you should get your hands dirty and start building something. Like, actually go and do it. Make your back-end system. Make a back-end API. I want to do some smart home things. Do you know how to start there? Yeah, definitely. If you want to start with your light bulbs. If you just get some Wi-Fi light bulbs, maybe start there, then you can download an app and all that. But then, another thing. Actually, we'll do it now. Let's just try it now. You guys can control my lights. Yeah, we'll do it for the last 10 minutes. So I have this thing here, which is bulb. And each bulb has an IP address. So let me just have a look at what they are. What's the IP address of this? Follow the live creator. Thanks for the follow. Device. Okay, this is 102. So this is the 102 is the left light bulb. 102. And the next one, I've only got 2 on at the moment. That's how kids are born. Spawning child. Oh shit. That is the wrong button. Let's go back to green. So that's left, and then if we go to the right one, I need to go to the device settings, device info, and that's 101. So this is what the IP addresses are on my bulbs at home. And so I already created like some code to control my lights via Node.js, via JavaScript. And so when I do that, so in here, if I just collapse everything down, there's some things that I add here, so you can change color, and the color you can change it to is like a predefined color map. So, for example, if I did this, if I showed you guys this, right, then you can actually do that. Yep. And then so if I say change color, what we can actually do with that is, when we are going to, let's say, let's say show comment, right? Let's say that I go into, not responses, console message. So if I go with change color black, yeah, we can do it like that. So if I go, so when I show comment, This is going to be like say it with chess, but then there's going to be another one which is like control the lights. So then if we go change color, oops, sorry. So let's actually import that. Import from. We're gonna go. Where is this gonna? This is gonna go back one, and then it's gonna go into bulb, and then we're actually gonna go change color. Sorry, change color. Oh, actually, let's go bulb. Bulb. There you go. And I think there's a connect. Yeah, there's a connect. So if we did bulb, we're first gonna need a connect. So bulb.connect. I think that's all you need. All you need to do. And then so that's gonna do that. So let's have a look at this. Connect. I just need to remind myself. I made this so long ago. So we're gonna do that. Gonna log into the device. So we actually do need to then that. So we just go. We can even do just actually invoke it like that, and then go cool. Thanks. Don't need to do anything with it really. So we're now going to connect. Let's see if we actually do connect. Let's go here and go. We've connected. We've connected the bulbs. We've connected the bulbs. Cool. So it's actually going off. So these are IoT devices, right? In the at its truest form, and so these all have every program is spelling color as color because they've felt the pain before. Yeah. And so that will go here. So now I can actually use bulb and then go, let's do a test run, right? Change bulb dot change color, and then we'll go I think there's a color, what is it called? Let's have a look. Change color, predefined map, maybe we'll say blue. Okay. So if I go change color blue, so save, and then actually let's test this here. So once it's done, let's do this, change color blue. So it should be blue. There you go. Do you see that, guys? Cool, eh? So then now it's blue when you're running it. What light bulb recommend? So what light bulbs do I recommend? Nice. I'm using TP-Link ones. So if I do red, save, it should see, there you go. So it's actually calling out to the internet and going through the cloud and doing its a little IoT thing, right? So then now red, or I can go, what else can I do? Here's the predefined stuff. So if I go magenta, for example, save. Oh, what happened there? Invalid color. Okay, so something was wrong about that. Maybe something happened there. I don't know, purple maybe? Yeah, something broke there. Let me clear this. Save. Oh no, it didn't like that. Yeah, maybe it just didn't like it. I need to actually revisit this code too, because some values won't work. But if we go pink, maybe, let's see what that does. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh no, so invalid request params. So that means something here. Maybe there's like bounds that it doesn't like. How about we stick with like blue and red and green for now. And we'll go blue. Save. There we go. Do you have RGB values? It's actually the methods themselves, like on the devices, accept a hex value. And I think I found that out before, that some hex values just don't work. There's red, green, green. Cool. And so now if I go user, for example, I'll just give someone the power, right? So if I log out, actually we'll just have a look. If we get rid of, actually let me just start this chat again. So we'll have a look. So can you just quickly comment something? So then I can take a look at your username. Blue. Hi. So someone with a flower, that's your actual username. So then if I go, if we'll do some stupid as programming here. So if user is equal to this, right? Then and maybe comment dot include, we'll go, how are we going to do that? So this dot includes dot, actually we'll go this comment equals blue, drop tables, hey, get out of here. Sorry, if blue, red, green dot includes comment, so you're gonna have to send through this specific thing. Then bulb dot change color to comment, right? So then now I'll just literally give you the power. Save, and then let me run this. So then you can change the color of my bulbs now. There you go. Let me just sit back while you change the colors of my things. Hey, Marcellus, only someone has that someone flower. Only they have the power at the moment. They're the only ones who have admin privileges. Who wants admin privileges? Purple. No, someone. Look, I've only allowed these 3 colors through. It's me. Thanks for the follow, guys. So you can see that I'm only allowing that one person. So that is pretty cool, eh? So basically, you can do whatever we want with this, right? So look, you're saying green, and then there's that. But then I reckon maybe we can actually do more than one, because I don't know why, but these worked before, so I'm like confused about that. But yeah, oh well. That's so cool. Give us some room for injection. Yeah, but like, okay, what do we want? Hold on, bro. I couldn't hold my comment anymore. Wait, what do you mean? What were you saying? You couldn't hold your comment. What are you commenting about? That's cool. Oh, nice. So you're like, I actually couldn't help it, but that is so cool. Okay, let me give someone else the keys. Okay, we'll have one person at a time. Eval comment. Just use eval comment. No, Antonio, you stop it right there. Okay, I know exactly what you're trying to do. But I wish I could look as cool as you and code. Lol. Matt's mum. Okay, so hands up who wants to be an admin for the moment. Somebody, I think I'm going to have to give your keys away to someone else for a turn. Is coding actually interesting? I think so. I think you being able to do what you want is pretty cool. Okay, let's get Legacy to have a turn. Okay, Legacy's turn. Const Legacy. Const someone. Okay, so we'll go Legacy. Okay, Legacy, it's your turn. Ready? Hold on. 3, 2, 1, and go on. Remember, you only have 3 options. I'm gonna sit back and get someone else to change my lights. There you go. Wow, that's crazy. Look at the control. This guy, think about it, this guy across the world is controlling my damn lights. How dare you? How dare you, Legacy? Hey, Legacy, how damn dare you? How did you link stream comments to your terminal? Oh, I just pulling the data from the API. Stop it, Legacy. Yeah, Legacy, stop it. Let's have a look, eh? Your partner is currently studying do some coding. Do you think it's a wasted journey because of AI? No. What's your opinion? No. Please don't stop. Please don't stop. Bro, but how? Is this your room light? Yeah, it's my room light. How can I show you? Hold up. Let me show you real quick. Hold up, wait a minute. Give me a little second. Let me connect my phone. Thank you kindly. Loving the vibes. Yeah, the vibes are cool, eh? I ain't stopping, bro. Legacy's hooked. Hey, Legacy, I'm feeling like a blue vibe. Can you change it to blue? Man, this is next level voice recognition, eh? Look at this. Please change to blue, and it changes. Wow, I'm using a human. I'm using a human to change my lights. That's crazy. That's next level AI. It's not even AI, it's BI. It's biological intelligence. That's what I'm using. Screw AI, I'm using a person. I'm using a whole ass person. Hey, can you change to red, please? Excuse me, Legacy AI, Legacy BI. Can you change to red, please? Thank you. I'm feeling like a red mood. Fuck, that's funny. Okay, while I'm here, I'm gonna create a new instance of Visual Studio, and then I'm going to I will do a quick, what is it called? Screen copy. Boom. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's not it. If I go PowerShell, open PowerShell, and go to screen copy. Boom. That's going to start a session. Always allow. Okay, so can you guys hold up? Let me just design something real quick with OBS. So let's try this. Let's try this for a second. Window capture. Phone. Okay. Look for this one. Okay, so go on landscape. Guys, go on landscape mode if you're not. Can you see my phone? This is my phone, by the way. Can you see it? Guys, can you see it? Actually, let me zoom in a bit. Hold up. Let me just cut this off because you don't need to see all that. Let me cut this off too, and then let me make it bigger. Okay, so this screen here is my IRL view. Yeah? What are you coding? So these are the lights. Can you see that on top of my screen? These are the automation lights. So Legacy, make it green. Go. Legacy has all the control. This is what you're changing, Legacy. Can you see? So if you send green or blue, see, so like you're literally BI is booked. Legacy, you had one job, okay? You had one job, and because of that, who wants to be the next admin? Who wants to be the next admin? Hands up. Hands up. Should I give it back to someone? Who's got to be the next one? Legacy fell asleep. Legacy's legacy is over. Legacy is okay. Okay. Marcello's turn. Legacy, you're fired. Boom, bro. When does class begin? You want to learn how to code, how to automate everything you want. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's not looking so funny. Look at that. Oh wait, hold on. Look at that. Blue, nice. I love that for you. Try maybe red or green again. I can't believe you're controlling like this physical reality, guys. You're controlling my lights. That is sick, man. That is sickening. We'll have Frankie. We'll have. Let me automate this first. You will have the best coding disco on the planet. Should we do a disco? Hold on, because there's more. There's more to it, right? Oh, did someone ask about a stack? Are you full stack developer? Yes, I am full stack developer. All the way from the US. Oh, nice. Wait, is that SAR? Green, nice. You are controlling it all the way from there. So good. Can you teach me? See, I feel like I should start hosting some more, like host some classes. Would you guys like that? South Africa, he means. Oh, yeah. Thought so. The thing is like, my time is, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be a dick, but like, you know what I mean? Like, time is money, and like, I can't really, but maybe if it's, oh, he turned red, I'll pay in women. Nice, deal. Shake hands, deal. Ready? Shake hands, I'll teach you. You can give me all the women. I don't think my girlfriend's gonna like that idea. But screw her, she's not part of the deal. Ready? Shake hands. Shake hands. I want to be like you, an ethical hacker. I'm not an ethical hacker. I'm just a guy who loves to be a programmer, you know? I got 3 sisters, bro. Not giving up the sisters. I actually have 3 sisters as well. I love that. It's so funny. Let me hide that. So yeah, I also had, you know, in my other streams, I also had, hey, Marcellus, are you having fun there? While changing colors while I'm talking is pretty disrespectful, man. You having fun? 100%. You didn't think that you'd be able to do this, eh? You did not think that you'd be able to join and start controlling someone's lights. What are you working on? Oh, we're just doing some banter. We're writing some banter code. Hey, Marcellus, show them. Show Big Crimping what you can do, your powers. Oh, do you see that? Did you see that, Big Crimping? Did you see that? Marcellus said green, and it turned green, and now he said red, and it's red. I wanted to know how to start my smart home. Yeah, true. You're like, how do I start? Damn, that's cool. Yeah. Do you want to have a let Big Crimping have a turn? Okay, Big Crimping, I'm gonna give you the power. And you know what I'm gonna do after this? Antonio, I didn't even give Antonio a try either. Boom. Boom. Okay, so Big Crimping, you now have all the power. If you send one of these 3 colors, just one of these 3 colors, all in lowercase, it'll, all in lowercase. This is case sensitive, unfortunately. I can make it case insensitive if you want, but Big Crimping is actually pimping out my lights right now. This guy is crazy. Oh, nice. So he actually changed it to blue. Then it's actually sick. Nice. It's pretty cool, eh? And so you're interacting with my console. So for this app, did you build the API yourself? I'm just interacting with the TikTok Live. There's a TikTok Live connector by Zodi, I think. His team built it. It's essentially like it's almost like a wrapper for Euler, the Euler stuff. So extension of ES. No, it's not. No. I built this manually using all the APIs, right? So this is just a local JavaScript code base. Is there a way you can make it so it plays audio? Yep, can do. I mean, I already built that as well. Where did I put it? Where did I put that? Was it in bulb as well? Play something like that. Yeah, yeah, self-destruct. That's right. This was funny. I loved this one. So yeah, so we did some stuff where it would self-destruct the lives. Seems to be an odd choice for coding. By the way, is streaming on TikTok worth it? Odd choice for coding. Yeah, I just decide. Well, I don't know. It just seems like TikTok is like you get a lot of people, you know, without having to go into it, without having to go into. Oh, can I come listen for you? Intern for you. I have an intern at the moment, and he's my little brother. So, spot's filled at the moment. But I guess we can always, I'm gonna do these lives every day. On both TikTok, Twitch, YouTube. So yeah, Frankie, to answer your question. Actually, we'll give Frankie the keys. Frankie, since you're the only person on Twitch, let's give you the keys for a bit. He's like, I don't want it. Oh shit. There you go, Frankie. You got all the you got the keys now. So you can change the color. Green, nice. You did see it both into green. If you try it again, maybe a different color. Learn more than I am at uni. Yeah, you would. Marcellus, I guarantee you would learn more. Works. Blue. Nice. Nice. Wow, guys, TikTok fam. Someone from Twitch is controlling it now. You can do this with any platform through API connections? Absolutely. If they have a public WebSocket endpoint, then I can attack it. I can scrape it. It just takes some reverse engineering. But in this case, someone already did the reverse engineering on TikTok side, and what I'm using is a proxy. I'm using a proxy server to then pass through the data in real time. Because TikTok's really good at blocking whoever's trying to connect that is not a TikTok front end, and this is not a TikTok front end. Thanks, Frankie. Change it to red for some more side effects, some more emphasis. Frankie's just chilling with his little remote control. What are you coding? Good question. Nothing really. I'm just adding to my project called Nebula. This is a thing I started building for my live stream, which interacts with chat and shows all chat from all the streams that I'm doing, Twitch stream, YouTube stream, and on error turn red. Yeah, that's possible. That is possible. Yeah, so Van, if you have a look at Frankie, if you turn it, right? If you turn the screen landscape, if you're not already, see, look, did you see Frankie change it to blue? He changed my lights in my office to blue. That is the vibes. We're getting chat to actually make changes to my environment. Anyway, so that was the whole fun thing. I made this a while ago, but haven't actually used it in this channel. But I've just decided to play around with it tonight. I was actually supposed to be gone 17 minutes ago. Control people's lives. It can do. how can you do that? Is there an API for it? There's an API for each platform. So TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch, and they offer the live chat feed. And so I'm just observing that. Oh, damn nice. How does your code work like that? Like read from Twitch and everything. Yeah. So I just created services here if you're actually interested. So there's here's TikTok's one. So I go through a proxy, and basically I'm connecting to TikTok's backend. Thanks, Frankie. Let's give Van a try. Vandal. Here you go. Vandal, let me just, while you're doing that, I'll give you the keys to change my lights for now. So then I connect. So I connect to YouTube, I connect to TikTok, and then Twitch. And how that is done. So this is Twitch, and this is bringing a live feed of. So I connect here, and then it's returning a connection, which is actually returning all of the live comments. If you change your username, because I'm actually using, I think, the nickname. If you do change the username, it'll don't change your username because it takes, I think, 7 days to change it back. Man, give us a disco. Yeah. I think there was a disco one. Oh, where is it? Party mode. Yeah, let's do party mode. And let's add a party mode one. So let's do. Wait, where is it? Let's do here. So if this, let's do it in here. So we'll go. Hey Vandal, if you type in blue, all lowercase. That's a bot. Kind of. It depends on what you think a bot is. And are you interested with thing? There you go, Vandal. You changed my lights. But we'll add a party mode here. Ready? With commands. Yeah. Well, not really. This is custom. This command kind of like interface is my custom code. So we'll go if comment is equal to party. Oh, we'll just say party, right? So then we'll add bulb.party mode. Bulb.party mode. Right. And then else if some casual programming at 2 a.m. Else if this, get rid of that. Then we want to change the color. So now let me change this. This all in Java? Yeah, this is all in JavaScript. And then rerun this stuff. Looks like Python? Nah, this is JavaScript. So Vandal. So now because you still have the keys, right? If you type in party, we can see what will happen. All lowercase. Oh wait, we need some music. Hold on. What's a nice party song? Anybody got a nice party song? What's a good party song? Quick. No. Oh, let's do maybe a Skrillex song, because it needs some sort of like.
Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys.
Let's go, guys.
Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to
Now it's the party.
shout to all my lost boys.
Oh shit, it's so bright. I forgot about that. I actually forgot that it changes to white. Fuck, that is so annoying. Let's change it back to green. Hold up. Let's go here. Green. Lol. Yeah, so it just goes to back to normal. Once it. Wait, why is it all doubled up now? There's a reason for that. Anyway, yeah. So once it finishes, it's like, okay, I'm gonna go back to the original color, which happens to be glaring white, which is so annoying. What do you work on as a dev? All sorts of things, man. Wait, there is a double up. What the hell? Oh, that's right. I know why. It's because I've registered it twice. Let me do this and then go here. Bro, I want to learn. You can learn, man. You can learn all this by yourself. So, I reckon we can call it there, eh? I'm asking it as one of my majors comp sci, but damn, I don't think I'd be able to do anything like this. No, you absolutely can. There's actually not much to this project. I'm thinking of making it open source, so maybe you can have a look at it when I've actually made it open source. Can you use any color changing the bulb? You can use hex colors. So you know the normal hex colors, but like we just tried it not long ago. Thanks, Bog. Thanks, Bog. You have a good night too. Yeah, so you can do that, but we were getting an error before, so predefined color map, you know. So I just decided not to do that. GG's. Yeah, man, GG's. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's 3:20. It's 3:19 a.m. for me, so I probably should call it a night. Should we end on a party? You know what to do. You know what to do. Or maybe this one. Let's end on a party. Ready? Thanks for the stream. Thanks for following me. Thanks for all the support. And Vandal, this is all you, Vandal. If you send party, we're gonna go for gold. And then we'll shoot for the stars on the next one, yeah? Oh, nice. Nah, it's TikTok. It's not me. It's TikTok. Val, man.
Yes! Oh my god!
Nice. Legend. What a fun ass chat, man. I think yeah. Have a good night, guys. We'll go until this stops, eh? Love the live, yeah, man. We'll do more. We'll do more. Nice. We're on the party. All right, man. Thanks for joining. Thanks for the vibes. We'll go on to the next one later, probably tomorrow night. In the AMs for me as well. And yeah, thanks for joining. I'm gonna probably do some work before I go to sleep, but then I'll go to sleep. Cool. Thanks, guys. Peace. Have fun. Please go and program. Make something cool. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.